show how we take out staples basically from anywhere, but today we're going to be taking it out from a Doberman pinches dot tails. So you're going to need staple remover. These are made by 3M. You can get these on Amazon, look online. You want to put it in some alcohol, preferably 70% or better. Let it sit in there. Maybe move it a little bit to get it in areas. So we let that sit there while we grab a pup. Now the pup, a little bit of tissue, cotton swab, it don't really matter. We're gonna dab the tail a little bit because we are about to remove some stuff, and really we should just clean it up real good. Grab a pup. Got a little pup here. Just woke up, so he's still tired. Empress, relax. And as you can see, zoom in there, you see the staple. You're gonna clean that area up. Probably hold the pup in a comfortable position so that way he don't squirm too much like he was just doing. I'm gonna clean that tail up. And when I mean clean it up, I really mean clean it up, because you're about to pull out a staple out of there. I'm gonna take this. It has 3, zoom in on it. You want the top to be up. As you see, you're scooping from the 2 on the bottom. Probably gonna be hard to get it on film like that, but hold them over. And go under it.